Hi guys, Ava from Bay Harbour Med Spa. I'm going to answer a question because I think it has a reason for being. And this question came from an 18-year young girl. And the question was, she said she doesn't have pimples, so it's not a pimple question. She said, I have very dry and sensitive skin. Should I use exfoliants? What should I do? How should I treat my skin? Well, guys, at 18, usually, not always, but most of the time at 18, the skin, 18 you're a baby. At 18 your skin should not be dry and should not be sensitive. The fact that your skin is dry and sensitive tells me that perhaps something is off. Either you are washing your face with soap every day and you're not using moisturizers. And if that's the case, you are drying your skin out with the soap, then it's pulling, it's very dry. And if you by nature have normal to dry skin, so then the skin will become toned, dry, and it will become very sensitive because there's no elasticity, there's no give, it's so dried out on the surface. So the answer is, if you have dry skin and it's sensitive, but it is dry because actually you dried it out or because you are not moisturizing, then sure, you should exfoliate the skin because you want to get rid of the surface of the skin, the dead layers of the skin, you want to get rid of them. So for that, microdermabrasion scrub is okay. For that, peeling is okay. And stop using regular soap. You should use a cleanser that does not have harsh chemicals, does not have harsh ingredients in it that will dry your skin out. So again, I'm not trying to sell you, I'm just trying to speak from what I know. In my case, I would say, if you came to me and you said, okay, Eva, what shall I use? So I would tell you, okay, get my normal dry skin cleanser, which is made out of lavender, and it will never dry your skin out. It has oils in it. It will clean your skin, but it will not dry it out because that's what you want. You want to use a toner that's specifically made from herbs, and it doesn't dry the skin out for normal or dry skin. You want to use a moisturizer for normal to dry skin. So you want to use a eye cream, because if your skin is dry everywhere, it's dry around the eyes, and it's never too soon to start moisturizing and to start putting eye cream on. And if you say, oh, but 18, should I use eye creams? Or it's not relevant to your age. What is relevant is, and why a moisturizer is not sufficient for eye area is simple. A moisturizer is a cream that's mainly water-based. And why? Because it's put on the skin during the day, and the water is a carrier, and it's sort of basically very light, and it's absorbed into the skin. However, eye creams have in them much stronger ingredients, and they have in them extracts which will help and stay on the surface of the skin and protect the eye area and give sufficient moisture to the skin that will not evaporate after half an hour. Therefore, eye creams, when you look at an eye cream, it's heavier, it has a different consistency than a moisturizer. Same thing for a night cream. A night cream has a different consistency than a moisturizer. Why? Because a night cream is usually put on the face, the neck, the chest at night when your skin is resting. So, of course, it's always done on clean skin. And for a young person, you clean your face, you put a little bit of night cream, you put a little bit of eye cream, and you go to sleep. Why is it done at night? I tell you why. When you sleep, you rest, your skin rests. It must sound absolutely funny to you, but it's not. When you are in a resting stage, everything slows down. And everything that is working and producing and pushing to the surface of the skin during the day through oxygen, through blood circulation, through whatever, is coming down because our whole mechanism of our body slows down when we go to sleep. So when we are resting, the skin is resting. It doesn't have to work as hard as it works during the day. And therefore, when you put a nice, good face cream, night cream, eye cream, serum, nutrients for the skin at night, when you sleep, it absorbs it. It absorbs it and takes it in. You understand? This is why. Guys, I have to go because the bell is ringing. And until next time, I'll be with you. Thank you. And I hope that I explained this. Bye-bye, Eva.